National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Collin County in north central Texas, central Dallas County in north central Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across central Dallas County into southern Collin County. Flash flooding is ongoing. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Train spotters reported. Impact: flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Wiley, Duncanville, Farmers Branch, University Park, and Sag C. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 418 and 441. Interstate 45 between mile markers 280 and 284. Interstate 20 between mile markers 454 and 466. Interstate 30 between mile markers 32 and 56. The heaviest rain has fallen between about Grand Prairie to University Park to Allen. The afternoon commute will be affected by flooded roads within the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.